And how was the representation of exilic Europe while you were growing up? How was Europe represented to you, Galut?
Galut.
Did people talk about the past? Did you know?
I remember I was 8 years old when the Second World War started. We didn't know anything about it, but there is, you use the right term, galut. The kibbutz movement in modern Israel was an answer to becoming galuti, which is a downer. And galuti means not having the spirit of independence, not standing for your own rights, being afraid. I would say that after the war, the young Israelis felt ashamed that the Jews in Europe did not fight. But it was crazy. There's nothing to fight. I mean, if you fought in the Warsaw Ghetto, you fought for 20 days. There was very little resistance, too little resistance. But if you take somebody that for hundreds of years studied Talmud, never saw a gun, never used a knife, very peaceful people, and by the way, 50 million people were killed, not only the 6 million Jews. When you take the whole village of Russian with guns and everything else, and you put them against the wall and you kill them with modern technology. But there is this schism that the new generation of Israel was slightly ashamed that there was no more resistance.